Hello everybody, welcome to this South channel. Today we're going to talk about the word mà. The first meaning of the word mà is but. For example, here we have nói mà không làm. So, nói mà không làm. It means nói means say something. Mà, but. Không means don't. Làm means do. So when someone says something but they don't do that, you can say nói mà không làm. Mà here mean but. You say that but you don't do that. So mà can means but. Nói mà không làm means say something but you don't do that. Nói mà không làm. And another example here we have tôi mệt mà vẫn phải đi làm. Tôi mệt mà vẫn phải đi làm. It means tôi mệt means I'm tired. Mà means but. Vẫn still phải have to đi làm, go to work. I'm tired but I still have to go to work. So tôi mệt mà vẫn phải đi làm. I'm tired but I still have to go to work. So mà here means but. And we've got another example here. Cái tivi này rẻ mà bền. Cái tivi này means this television. Rẻ means cheap but bền. Bền here means when a product or something keeps in good condition for a long time. So for example, in this situation, we have cái TV. So cái TV, this television can be used in 10 years, 20 years, but it's still in a good condition. It means bền. So we have this television, cái TV này, cheap, but bền. So keep in good condition for a long time. So here we have this television, cái TV này, rẻ. Rẻ means cheap, mà, but, bền. So in good condition for a long time. Okay, so mà here means but. Nói mà không làm. You say something but you don't do that. Tôi mệt mà vẫn phải đi làm. I'm tired but I still have to go to work. Cái TV này rẻ mà bền. That television, this television is cheap but bền. So very good quality. The second meaning of the word mà. You can use the word mà to explain your purpose of doing something. So you can use the word mà like the word to or for in English. Let's take a look at some examples. Here we have nghèo thì tìm việc mà làm. Okay, nghèo thì tìm việc mà làm. Nghèo means if you are poor, so thì means so. Tìm việc, tìm means find, việc means job. So if you are poor, so find a job. To work, làm means work. So here mà means like to. You want to explain the purpose here to work. So if you are poor, so find a job to work. Làm means work. So if you are poor, nghèo thì tìm việc. So find a job. Mà làm, to work. Mà làm, to work. So explain your purpose. Seems like if you are poor, so you have to find a job. So why do I have to find a job? So to work, mà làm. Another example here we have tôi kể cho mà nghe. Tôi kể cho mà nghe. So when someone don't know about something, so you can say the sentence tôi kể cho mà nghe. If you know about the story, if you know about something, so you can tell, you want to tell someone and you say tôi kể cho mà nghe. So tôi kể cho means I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna tell you. Mà nghe means listen or hear. So I'm gonna tell you the story and you will know about that. So you'll have to listen to that and you will know about the story. So you can say tôi kể cho mà nghe. So I'm gonna tell you the story so that, or so for a purpose that you will listen to the story and you will know about the story. Ma can use to explain a purpose. Another example here we have cái xe ô tô đó đắt lắm, khó mà mua được. Cái xe ô tô đó đắt lắm, khó mà mua được. Cái xe ô tô đó means that car. Cái xe ô tô means the car. Đó means that. That car. Đắt lắm. That means expensive. Lắm means very. That car is very expensive. Khó means difficult. Mà to mua được, to buy it. Mua means buy. Được means when you can do something. So that car is very expensive and it's very difficult to buy it. So that car is very expensive. So it's very difficult to buy it. So explain a purpose here. You can say the word mà to buy it. Mà mua được. Cái xe ô tô đó đắt lắm. That car is very expensive. Khó mà mua được. It's very difficult. It's very difficult to buy it. Khó mà mua được. Cái xe ô tô đó đắt lắm. Khó mà mua được. Now let's talk about another meaning of the word mà. Mà can mean that. For example, here we have cô ấy là người mà tôi từng yêu. Cô ấy là người mà tôi từng yêu. Cô ấy means she. She is a person. She's the person that, mà mean that. She's the person that I used to. Từng means used to. Love. Yêu means love. She's the person that I used to love in the past. In the past, I loved her in the past. I used to love her. And she's the person that I used to love. Cô ấy là người. The person that mà tôi từng yêu. She's the person that I used to love. Okay, mà can mean that, which, what, or something like this. Okay, cô ấy là người mà that I used to love. Tôi từng yêu. Another example here we have cái xe ô tô mà tôi đang đi là của bố tôi. Cái xe ô tô mà tôi đang đi là của bố tôi. Cái xe ô tô means the car mà that I'm using. Tôi đang đi means that I'm using right now. Là is của bố tôi means belongs to my father. So the car that I'm using right now is my father's car. Okay, it's not my car, it's my father's car. Okay, cái xe ô tô, the car mà that tôi I'm using is my father's car. It's not my car, it belongs to my father. So cái xe ô tô that mà tôi đang đi là của bố tôi. So another way to use the word mà, you can use the word mà if you want to indicate an affirmation or explanation, or you want to emphasize that your idea, your opinion is correct, is exactly true. So the mà in this situation occurs at the end of the sentence. Now let's take a look at some examples. Here we have tôi đã nói rồi mà. Mà occurs at the end of the sentence. Tôi đã nói rồi mà. So here it means tôi, I've said. Đã nói, I've said. that before. I've said that before. So what I've said before is correct. You want to emphasis that what I've said before is correct. So you can say tôi đã nói rồi mà. So as I said before, tôi đã nói rồi mà. Tôi đã nói rồi mà. So you want to affirm that what you've said before is correct. So you can say tôi đã nói rồi mà. Ma at the end of the sentence, so seems like you want to indicate your affirmation. Another example here we have món này ngon mà. Món này ngon mà. Món này means, so it seems like a food. Ngon, delicious or good. That food is delicious mà. So we want to affirm that this food is delicious, this food is good, tastes good. So you can say món này ngon mà. Or someone says that that food is not really good, tastes not good. So you say no, món này ngon mà. It means you want to affirm that that food, món này, delicious mà. Món này ngon mà. Another example here we have dễ mà. Okay, dễ mà. So dễ means easy. Dễ mà means you want to affirm that it's very easy to do. So it's easy. When someone says it's difficult, it's complicated, you can say back, dễ mà. No, it's very easy. Dễ mà. So we want to affirm that it's very easy. So you can use the word mà to indicate your affirmation or explanation, or you want to emphasize that your opinion is correct. Tôi đã nói rồi mà. Oh, as I've said before, món này ngon mà. That food is really delicious mà. Dễ mà. So the mà here you can use to affirm your opinion. Another way to use the word mà is to talk about the result of an action or the result of something. In this situation, mà can mean like so or so that. For example, here we have muộn rồi mà sao chưa ngủ. Muộn rồi mà sao chưa ngủ. Muộn rồi means it's already late. Muộn means late. Rồi already is already late. Mà, so, sao, why, chưa ngủ. So why haven't you go to sleep? So it's already late. So why don't you go to sleep? It's late already. So why don't you go to sleep? Muộn rồi mà sao chưa ngủ. Why don't you go to sleep? So it's late already. So why don't you go to sleep? Why don't you go to sleep? Another example here we have có chuyện gì mà buồn. Có chuyện gì mà buồn. Có chuyện gì means did something happen? So that. Buồn means sad. Did something happen? So that you are sad. So did something happen and it makes you sad, feel sad. So có chuyện gì mà buồn. Mà buồn. Buồn means sad. Mà means so that. So you want to talk about the result that something makes you sad. So you can use the word mà, like so or so that. Another example here we have nhìn nó cười mà tôi cũng thấy vui. Nhìn nó cười mà tôi cũng thấy vui. Nhìn nó cười. Nhìn means seeing or watching. Nó can means he or she. Cười, smile. So looking or watching someone smiling. So mà tôi I also cũng thấy means feel. Vui means happy. So watching someone smiling so that I also feel happy. Nhìn nó cười. Nhìn nó cười. Watching, seeing someone smiling. Mà so that I also feel happy. So the word mà here can mean so or so that. Another meaning of the word mà it can mean if. For example, here we have bây giờ mà đến thì vẫn muộn. Bây giờ mà đến thì vẫn muộn. Bây giờ means right now, mà if. So đến means come. If you are coming right now, thì so still late. Muộn means late. Thì vẫn muộn. Okay. Bây giờ mà đến, if you coming right now, so you're still late. Okay. Mà here means if. Bây giờ right now, if you're coming right now, so you're still late. Another example here we have tôi mà là bạn, tôi sẽ làm khác. Tôi mà là bạn, tôi sẽ làm khác. So tôi mà là bạn. If I were you. If I were you. If I were you, I means tôi means I would do that in a different way. Khác means different. So if I were you, I would do that in a different way. So tôi mà là bạn, tôi sẽ làm khác. If I were you, I would do that in a different way. Okay? So mà here means you can use the word mà like the word if. Bây giờ mà đến thì vẫn muộn. If you are coming right now, you're still late. Tôi mà là bạn, tôi sẽ làm khác. If I were you, I would do that in a different way. Okay, it's all about the word mà. If you want to support my effort, you can donate me by the link in the description. Thank you for watching.